Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a Cheesecake Factory copycat of their strawberry lemonade. This is such a refreshing drink, especially in the summer. I'm going to show you how to make it step by step. Let's get started. Start out with 1 pound of strawberries. I'm going to do half frozen and half fresh. Add your strawberries to a blender and puree them. Then add the juices of 1 large lemon and 1 lime. Make sure that if you do drop any seeds, you remove them before turning the blender on again. Then add 1/3 to 1/4 cup of sugar, depends how sweet you like it. Then blend everything again. With the same lime that we squeezed, go ahead and coat the rim of the cup with the juice and then dip it in sugar. Then add about 1/3 of a cup of the puree to each cup. Add some ice and top off your cup about 2/3 with store-bought lemonade. And enjoy. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.